Hey beauties, it's Daisy here. Welcome to my channel. And today what I have is this cute pixie bob wig from Youth Beauty. So if you're interested in seeing how I got this look and how I slayed this wig, then make sure you stay tuned. So here is the final look. It is really cute. I was highly surprised because at first when I got this wig, I'm like, oh my gosh, what am I gonna do with this wig? But I slayed it, gave it a nice cute little swoop, and the curls are bomb, as you guys can see. Now this wig is 10 inches and it has really tight curls, so you would think it would be longer, but it's pretty cool. I like it. Super cute, especially good for someone that's trying to like switch up your look, or maybe someone that's a little bit older. But this is cute. I wouldn't really rock this every day, but it was something fun to try and do something a little different than the normal that I do. I always have really long wigs, so why not try like a really short wig? So tell me what you guys think about this wig on me. If you like it and you like this tutorial, make sure you guys give me a thumbs up. I want to thank Youth Beauty for sending me this hair. It's super cute. And if you have any questions, make sure you leave it in the comment section below. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button below if you're not already subscribed. And until my next video, peace.